Hello and welcome to the Matthew Alton Art channel again. This video is the first of hopefully 7 videos over the next 7 days. I've decided it's time to challenge myself again. I've been inspired by an artist friend of mine who often does the Strada Easel challenge, which is painting from life for a whole month. That's far too much of a challenge for me, I think, too much of a commitment. Painting is something that takes a lot longer than sketching. And every day for a month is just a long time to be doing it. But maybe I'll build up to that, who knows, we'll see how this challenge goes. I did one of these challenges, I think it was last year, where I did a portrait every day for 7 days, or was it 5 days anyway, a portrait challenge. I'm not sure that all these drawings that are going to happen over the next 7 days are going to be portraits. You can see that this one that I'm currently working on is. It's a reference photograph that I downloaded from Raw Umber Studios, one of the free reference photos that they have. I did a portrait using one of those a while back. You may have seen the video. It's an old man with a big beard. And I'm using pencil, as you can see. All of these sketches that I do over the next 7 days are going to be in this little A5 sketchbook that I bought from Poundland. It wasn't £1, but it was only a couple of pounds, £2.99 or something like that. And I really like the paper on it. I've actually used the back of this piece of paper. This sketchbook has sort of quite textured paper on one side, and I often find the bits that don't take the pencil, which are the indents on it, can be distracting in the first few sketches that I've done in this book. So I thought I'd try for this sketch using the smoother side of the paper, and I'm quite liking how it works. You can see that I'm using a mechanical pencil again, as I normally do when I'm sketching. I just find them really easy. They're easy to sharpen. You can get different leads in them. This one is a 5B, I think, or might even be a 9B. I've got quite a few soft leads. You can see from the video that you've been watching as I've been talking to you that I started at the top of the head to get the shape of the cranium in, and then I've worked down the face. That, especially when you're using soft pencil, is the best way to do it, because of course you end up smudging the work that you've already done if you work in any other way than that, really. It's quite difficult to get the sort of see-throughness of the beard, I've found, and the hair as well. He's got long straggly hair, and the hair is quite dark in colour, but the beard is white. But by the end of the drawing I think I managed it okay. This sketch took about an hour from start to finish. I probably didn't get quite the variation in tone across the portrait that the original photograph reference had. It was much darker on the right hand side than the left hand side. But overall it's okay. It's a fairly good likeness as well to the actual reference. I'm a firm believer in practice making perfect, which is why I do these challenges once in a while. I think there's no shortcut to improving art. You just have to keep repeating it over and over and over again, and doing a challenge helps you to do that, really. So I'd advise you, if you are wanting to improve at art, to set yourself a similar challenge, really. I'm hoping that these videos will come out every day, so do check back, or subscribe even. That would be great. If you want to subscribe, you'll be notified every time they arrive. Do comment on it as well. Keep me going on this challenge. It can be quite difficult to keep yourself motivated. And also comment about the sorts of things you might want me to draw. I'm happy to have some subject input into this challenge. If somebody suggests something that hits the mark, I will try and do that over this next 7 days. So do leave a comment and suggest topics that you'd like me to try. It's likely that some of them will be portraits because I actually like portrait drawing, but we'll see. Well, that's it. Well, this is the final drawing. Overall, I'm really pleased with it. It seemed to flow quite well. Often they can and sometimes they don't, but this one did seem to work quite nicely. As I said, it's possibly not quite dark enough on the right hand side. It's difficult when there's a white beard on one side to make the tonal variation stand out. Maybe I should have artificially darkened that side of the beard. I don't know. Anyway, it's a good first sketch. I'm looking forward to filling 7 sketchbook pages over the next 7 days. And I hope that you'll rejoin me and be on this journey with me. Do suggest some topics for me. If you haven't subscribed to this channel yet and you found this channel for the first time, then do subscribe. Do like the video if you do like the video. And I'll see you on the next one very shortly. Bye.